Hi everyone, how are you doing, my good and wonderful people? I'm hoping that you guys are doing well. For me over here, I'm doing awesome. And welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how I take care of my hair. It's like a hair care day that I'm going to show you guys, yes, process by process. So I'm just done undoing the Havana curls that I had. Yes, so I haven't combed my hair, I haven't done anything. Yeah, so guys, without wasting a lot of time, let's jump into the video. Welcome. First, before I start, let me show you the products that I'll be using today. Okay, yeah, so I'll be showing you what I'll start with until what I'll finish with. Okay, yeah, so first thing first, because I've not combed my hair and right now it's a little bit tangled, I first go in with, this is a conditioner. I take a little amount of conditioner and then I dilute it with water, and then this is what I'll apply on my hair. Just a little bit. Before, I haven't washed my hair. Actually, I haven't washed my hair. This is the first process. I don't just comb my hair. So I will it's already diluted. I will apply it on my hair and then I will comb through. I'll use this wide comb, you know, wide spaced comb. Okay, this will be the next comb. Then after that, I will not wash my hair still. I will not wash my hair. I treat my dandruff using these two products. I use coconut oil, the brand is Sultana, and then I use this sulfur, it's called Prima Donna. This sulfur actually helps my hair so much because I'm still fighting dandruff. They are not, you know, I'm still trying my level best to make sure that I'm not having those recurring dandruffs. Yes, and by the way, nowadays my skin is not itchy and everything. So I'm going to pre-poo my hair using these two products. Okay, so the next thing I'll be using this leave-in treatment, and this time around I'm using Venus. It depends, I don't have a specific brand. Sometimes I use this Loris, it's called Loris leave-in treatment. I'm not deep treating this time around, I deep treated last time. So, and the deep treatment, I'm also using the Loris. It's in the bathroom, but it's the normal Loris, the avocado, the one with avocado oil. Now I will use my treatment after I've pre-pooed. I will wash my hair, then I will treat my hair. After doing the leave-in treatment, I will go in with this Mega Growth hair lotion. After that, I have this beautiful product that I got like 3 months ago. I've been using it, guys, and I know if you have ever used this product, you can leave your comment down there below. Okay, so it's called is it Mosara hydrating butter. This hair butter, guys, it's hair butter. Let me tell you, I love this hair butter. This is what I use on my daughter's hair still, and this is what I use on my hair still, guys. I love, and the smell and everything. I know, guys, let me tell you, in my channel I've seen something working for me and it's a good product. Definitely I will come here with a genuine review of that product. And when I tell you that this thing, and considering that my hair is relaxed, okay, I love this product, guys. I do love this product. So this is what I'll be applying at the end of everything. yes guys, I'm done. So I decided to wear this shower cap because I don't want my hair to be dry. Okay, yeah. And I'll be going to the nearby, because they have so many local salons around here, so I'll be going to one of them. Hey guys, so I'm back. I've already dried my hair, and I think this month, God willingly, I'll have to buy a blow dryer again. I'll have to buy it, cannot stay without it. Okay, yeah. So this is how my hair came out, and this is how my hair looks like, and I love it because it looks healthy. I love it. Yeah. So right, and see you in the next video guys, and bye bye, and I love you so much, guys. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. And for those who have subscribed to my channel, may God bless you and thank you so much. And guys, share the videos, like the videos, and take care of yourself guys. Bye bye, kisses.